let's do the next case. A 14-year-old male is brought to the emergency department by his mother, who tells you she is concerned her son has poison ivy. He was doing some yard work for a neighbor and 2 days later developed itching, redness, and little blisters on his arms. She is concerned that he will spread it to the whole family. He's healthy, takes no medications, has normal vital signs. Okay, do you think he meets level 1 or level 2 criteria?
No way. They need to go home. They should have gone to see their doctor.
Okay, so maybe home after some great patient education. So are you saying this patient is not going to require any resources?
Right. He is an ESI level 5. He's going to be instructed to go home to get some over-the-counter medicine.
That's right. Don't forget, this is a really good opportunity for patient education.